Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today we will use torn paper frame die cut to make a greeting card. We will use these two frames and this bigger frame. To cut 7 pieces. We will use this silicone non-slippery mat. We put it on the tabletop and put the paper card on the mat. The paper card stick on the mat, so it is easy to painting. We paint 2 into yellow. Okay, now we remove the paper from the mat. And then we paint these 2 in green. The last 2 we will paint into pink. Then we use some water to clean this mat. And cover the film. Then we can keep it for next use. Okay, we will try these frames on the card background paper. You can see we will use these small frames to make a colorful background. Now, we will stick these together. Then we try again to see how it can be beautiful. Then we stick them together. Okay, now we're done. And we will cut the extra papers. This corner seems not very good, so we fixed it. Okay, so now our card background is ready. Now we will use these bigger frames to decorate the card. First, we will layer these 3 pieces together. Seems nice. We use this plastic film for decorate. If we no use this plastic, it's also okay. Seems great. And we will use this leaves to decorate the frame. Also, we will use these butterflies. This butterfly die is very pretty. We will decorate the butterfly with color. The pink is very pretty. This butterfly can use single or use layered. And this one we painted in yellow. This one is also adorable. Okay, let's glue all this on the background. We use foam tape to stick the butterflies. This looks like the butterflies flying. The card is almost finished. It's very pretty. Now this is what we finished. We add a sentiment love you. This card is very beautiful color. And the tom paper frame is very impressed, right? Okay, it was today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.